Welcome to the Age of Enlightenment LibGuide. This video is going to explain how to get started using the Gale Virtual Reference Library, which can be found under Index and Databases. So I'm going to select Gale Virtual Reference Library. This online library offers reference information through encyclopedias, almanacs, and more. So when you click, it brings you to the advanced search page. Here I'm going to do a search on Enlightenment. And this is going to be a keyword search. You can also add other search terms. For instance, you could add American to look at the American Enlightenment and add that as a keyword as well. For the purpose of this video, I'm only going to do a general search on the Enlightenment. What's great about this resource is that it allows you to limit your search. One of the best ones I feel is the content level. You can select basic, intermediate, or advanced depending on what you're most comfortable with. So I'm going to click intermediate. You can also narrow your search type by document type, publication title, subjects, and even language, although all of these are English. So looking at the results, I see that the first one, in the description, it talks about Buddhism, which is a different type of enlightenment. So I'm going to continue looking. The second option reads European history in 18th century. So I have a feeling this is what we're looking for. So this comes from the Encyclopedia of Philosophy. If I clicked on this link, it would allow me to look at the entire book. As you can see, this is the information that has been pulled from this book that pertains to the Enlightenment. Some other great tools that this database offers are citation tools, where you can properly cite MLA, APA, and Chicago, depending on what you're most comfortable with. It also allows you to highlight and take notes, and you can print, email, save to Google Drive, whatever you need to do to be able to access this later. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful and that you now are able to start using and exploring the Gale Virtual Reference Library for yourself.